Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to download fonts simple way. So basically what you need to do, you need to go to your Chrome browser. So first go to Chrome browser and then simply just write a website name called Dafont. So let me search it. So search here Dafont. I'm searching Dafont. And now just go to the first website that came after searching, and there you can see there are lots of font, various kind of fonts. You can choose your category if you want. So right now I will just show you a font by downloading. So suppose after searching I like this font and now I want to download it. So what you need to do, download. So let me first find a font to download. So yeah, I like it. This font is called the Blacklight. So now I'm going to download it. Then just click on the download button and it will download the file. See, it's downloading. The download is complete. So that's how you can download fonts simple way from Dafont. Thank you so much for watching guys.